Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Gidang Al-Fatihah. Today, I would like to present the review of articles reports. This is the list of article titles. The first, Project Citizen Model Effect on Students' Learning Interest in Civic Education as an Embodiment of Character Education. The second, can students evaluate online source learning from assessment of civics online reasoning? The third, youth political disengagement and the need for citizenship education, encouraging young people's civic and political participation throughout the curriculum. The fourth is civics among high school civics education and young adult further turned. And the last article, when STEM and STEAM really meant ABC, a Democrat critique of anything but civics schools. The first article, topic moral and civic education, writer Mariatun Kabatiah, Irman and Firman. Research purpose. The study aimed to describe the effect of the Project Citizen model on the learning interests of FKIP Unja students in learning civic education as an embodiment of character education. A practical empirical learning model based on problem solving. Project Citizen use learning principle that starts from students' interests. This can be seen from the first step of learning, which is to identify problems that are carried out by students based on their respective interests. Research problem in learning civic education in the environment outside of school. Conclusion. Hypothesis is testing was seen from the significant value of the treated group and untreated group. So, I can be conclude that there is even effect of the Project Citizen model of the interest of FKIP Unja students in learning civic education. Based on the conclusion, they recommend further experiment on project, model, citizen, order campus, and detailed evaluation on the learning process using the Project Citizen model. Suggestion. It's better to pay more attention to the naming of the EYD. Should pay attention to the maximum number of words in the abstract. It should be noted again that abbreviation as FKIP PAUD, if yes, English do not need to be used. Lack of article. The number of words in abstract in this article exceeds the maximum limit. The abbreviation FKIP PAUD should not be included if it has been translated into English. And the second article, can students evaluate on source learning from assessment of civic online reasoning? Topic, theory and research in sexual education, White, MC Grau, Sarah Braxton, Joel Ortega, Teresa Smith, and Mark Winbrook Sam. Research purpose. The purpose of this study was to design assessment that could yield information about students' ability to evaluate such assessment depend on every student examining the same content. Future research could explore whether frying the stimuli in task influence how students respond to it. Research problem. The text assists a student's ability to recognize the source of the article and address why a sponsored post by a bank of on this topic may be problematic. Successful response recognizes the source of the article and explain why the source, motive, and conflict of interest might lead to question about the article's credibility. Conclusion. Finally, students need support in learning how to consider multiple sources of information as they investigate online content. If students complete the minimumwage.com assessment, the teacher could ask the class to compare the conclusion reached by two anonymous students on who trust one minimumwage.com site about its life and one who sought to find out what others had to say about the organization. The class should then discuss reasons why consulting multiple sources in necessary and practice strategies for doing so online. Suggestion. The article should use language that is easy to understand or not long-winded so that is easy for readers to understand. Lack of article. The language is quite complex for readers to understand. The third article. Topic: Education, Citizenship, and Social Justice. Writer Pontes, Anna Isabel Hen, Matt Griffith, and Mark D. Research purpose. The main aim of study, therefore, to examine young people's patterns of political engagement and general political orientation and whether this reflects study in JS. Research problem. This article comprises two main sections to address this gap in knowledge. First, there is a critical examination of the literature that center on the concept of citizenship education. In the second section, the analyst the results from a representative online national survey of 1,025 British 18 years old conducted in 2011 to examine whether or not there are differences between those young people live in England who complete the GCSE and thus living elsewhere in Britain but did not, in terms of their political engagement and general political orientation. Conclusion. Politicians, academic practitioners, and commentators point to the needs for schools to provide more education about citizenship matters. The results from this study demonstrate that there are some considerable gains to be made in the respect, with some significant difference between those young people who have complete study for the GCSE in CS and those who have not, in terms of their respective level of political engagement, participation, and inclination. Schools play an important role in political socialization. However, to address citizen-related issues more efficiently, the impact of the delivery of teaching and learning issues must be acknowledged. Suggestion. In the introduction citizen education in England of the beginning of the paragraph should be made indented backwards. The table should be paid more attention to make it easier for the reader's convenience. Lack of article in the introduction citizenship education in England. The paragraph does not back. On the seventh page of the table is not horizontal, causing inconvenience to the reader. The fourth article topic is social study research. Writer is Siegel, Stickler, and Kelly. Research purpose. For the purpose of this study, the research considered direct instruction in civics to be a course in which the curriculum focuses on the function of American government and civil society and the role of citizens in a democratic system. Research problem. Civic education of this nature has always been part of the American classroom, but its relationship to student outcomes has not always been clear. Conclusion. Knowing that the political climate has a significant positive relationship both with the likelihood of taking civic and voting. The question is whether the relationship between civic education and voter turn remains significant even after adjusting for a variety of selection effects, including political climate. Suggestion. It's better to increase the font size, make it easier for reader. Lack of article, font size is too small. And the last article, topic educational studies. Writer Hayden, Kathy, Stimker, and Kurt. Research purpose. Is this article discuss the rise of that what we call ABC anything but civic? They are STEM or STEAM schools and programs that orient their focus around teaching science, technology, engineering, and math subjects. Research problem. They trouble the tendency toward individualistic and narrowly economic orientation in these programs and discuss strategy for reversing a democratic mission and vision into education, both within and beyond STEM or STEM schools. Conclusion. In the end, they are not arguing against the value of teaching STEM subject or cultivating STEM literacy, but they are again prioritizing STEM at the expense of other purpose education. No doubt, education in STEM fields can help to develop critical and creative devotion, imagination, cooperation, and problem-solving skills, all important habits of democratic citizenship, but it doesn't do so intrinsically. Suggestion. It's better to increase the font size, make it easier for readers. It's better to make an indent at the beginning of the paragraph. It should be equipped with tables and charts to understand the contents of the article. Lack of article. Font size is too small. At the beginning of the paragraph, the whole paragraph has not been made backwards. There are no tables, charts, and the like in this article. There is no methodology in the search. That's all for the article report. Sorry if I make some mistakes. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.